आज 7 जुलै 2021. I welcome all students from Standard 9, Division C. Today we want to see a new topic. Momentum is a physical quantity like distance, displacement, force, velocity. Momentum, what is my momentum? We call it in Marathi Savveg. That is, it's related with velocity. That is Veg. Savveg, momentum, denoted by capital letter P. Now you see on screen there is a momentum, definition of momentum. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity of an object. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity of an object. Write down it in your classwork notebook. Momentum P. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity of an object. Therefore, P is the letter for momentum. Capital P is equal to small m multiplied by V. Small m is the denote for mass, vastuman. Small v denote for velocity. That is velocity. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity of an object. Momentum gives idea about the Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum. Change of momentum. Momentum change कसा होतो? Suppose that when an object in steady state, that is, it is in a stable state, its velocity is zero, obviously. When we apply force on that object by machine or by our physical force, then it moves from original position, that is, it is in motion, that is accelerate. That's why its velocity increases. As velocity increases, product of mass and velocity of that object is increases. That is, of that vehicle increases. Because momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So m into v is increases with respect to time. Therefore, change in momentum per unit time is called as change in momentum. The Newton's second law of motion का है, the rate of change of momentum is proportional to the applied force, and the change of momentum occurs in the direction of the force. Definitely, the rate of change of momentum, that is final momentum minus initial momentum divided by t. Suppose an object's initial momentum is p1, final momentum is p2, and it occur in time t. Therefore, its change in momentum is p2 minus p1 divided by t. But what is p? P is the product of mass and velocity. Therefore, final momentum for initial momentum, initial velocity is u. Mass remains constant. I already say u. Mass of that object is m. Therefore, initial momentum is mu. And if we apply force on it for time interval t, its velocity increases from u to v. Therefore, its final velocity is v. Therefore, its final momentum p2 is equal to mv. Therefore, change in momentum is equal to mv minus mvu divided by t. Now, see here, that is given in page number 13. Therefore, mv minus mvu divided by t, m is common in bracket v minus u upon t. What is v minus u upon t? Change in velocity upon time. We know what is my change in velocity per unit time is known as acceleration. That is mass into a. Therefore, the rate of change of momentum gives the idea upon mass into acceleration. That is the, we see next line. According to Newton's second law, the rate of change of momentum is proportional to applied force. That is, F is directly proportional to ma. Therefore, F is equal to K into ma. K is the constant of proportionality. Therefore, we give the relation force is equal to mass into acceleration. This is called the force relation. Force mass acceleration relation, that is force equation, is the most important equation in science, that is in physics. Okay, now we introduce here momentum, second law, Newton's second law of motion, and force equation. In between only last some lines on page number 13, that's are very important. So write down what is my momentum. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity, that is P is equal to mv. What is the second law, Newton's second law of motion? The rate of change of momentum is proportional to applied force, and the change of momentum occur in the direction of the force. Suppose as object is in initial velocity u, when F force applied on the in the direction, its velocity increases from u to v in time t. Therefore, the initial momentum of object is p1 is equal to mu. Final momentum of object is p2 is equal to mv. Therefore, rate of change of momentum is equal to mv minus mu divided by t. M is common, v minus u upon t. What is v minus u upon t? Is nothing but acceleration. Therefore, is equal to ma. But according to second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is proportional to applied force. Therefore, F is equal to ma is the force equation. Write down this equation on your book. Okay.